So I am headed to the rink, well, my skate spot by my house. I have been sitting around literally almost all day other than taking the dogs out. I'm in a paralyzed state right now. There's so much in my mind. I want to do so much, but I feel like I've wasted so many hours today. And the only thing that I could do to get me out of the funk, or at least temporarily, is I'm gonna go skate. I have about 30 minutes left, so see you in a minute. Okay, I had a hard time finding my keys, and I'm like, how do I start my keys? And I can't find my keys. How did I start the car? And I couldn't find my keys, but obviously the keys are in my car, because my car started. Hello. I have absolutely no reason to be in a funk today. None. I have so much to be grateful for. I've got to remind myself of that. I have so much to be grateful for. I was off today. I have two beautiful dogs. One I'm dog sitting, one I have of my own. We went out for a walk. It was a beautiful fall day, cold, but it was so beautiful. They were playing and running in the leaves. The sun was out. It was just a beautiful, crisp fall day. Why am I in a funk? My kids are healthy. I got paid for donating plasma. I'm getting paid for dog sitting for the week. That's my Christmas money, honestly. Oh shoot, I have no lights on. Yeah, I didn't know what I was gonna do about Christmas, and I'm like, I really need some extra money for Christmas, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Donating plasma, I had saved up about $700, but I ended up having to use that a couple weeks ago, and I pretty much drained it. And oh, why is it so crowded at the gym? It's gonna close in 30 minutes. Anyway, I drained that because I thought that was gonna be my Christmas money, but I had to use it because I need some extra money. So my friend was like, hey, can you dog sit, or you want to dog sit, Coco? And I'm like, for a week? Yeah. So I'm getting Christmas money for that, so I'm grateful. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to go skate. I need to be out of my funk, like, right now. Here we go. So I've just completely changed my mood. Like, I have so much to be grateful for. So much to be grateful for. This gym that I go to is literally right across the street from my house, where I work out at, where I found a spot to skate at, other than my kitchen. So praise the Lord. Like, I need to stop complaining. Like, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. No more complaining, at least in this moment. I have too much to be grateful for. So here we go. Hopefully it's open. I was wondering why it was so crowded here. I guess there's a volleyball game or something going on in the gym. Hopefully this door's open. Oh yeah, it's open. Hopefully I can go in and skate. Let's see if I can use the space. Uh-oh, I hear something. Oh. Can I use this little space right here? Okay, awesome. Thank you.
How's she doing?
I'd
like to know.
Yeah, you are good. Did you guys hear that? They were fascinated by. He looked at my roller skates. He's like, "Whoa, what are you doing? Roller skating?" I'm like, "Yeah, roller." Or he said are you doing some kind of roller skate workout? I was like, roller dancing, just dancing on skates. He's like, oh, that's so cool. So I came here last night and I was roller skating, and the kid, teenager, he's like, is this a class? I was like, no. He goes, this is not a class? I was like, no. He goes, you're not an instructor for this class? I was like, no, it's just me. He's like, oh, okay. I was like, you're more than welcome to use whatever you need. He goes, oh, okay, thanks. That's like the second, maybe the third time, for sure the second time somebody's asked me, is this a class? Like, it's big enough for a class of like probably 8 to 10 people, honestly. I'm just saying, I'm putting it out there for some basic beginner stuff. Let's put it out there. That'd be so freaking cool. So freaking cool. Okay, so I'm gonna see how this mic works. I'm gonna turn this on here and see how this works. So we'll see. I'm talking, I'm going back, 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 back. You can hear me now. But let's try it with the mic on. Oh, that wasn't good. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna plug this in and see. Hopefully you can hear me now. I'm going to show a simple T-stop. That's the one I do the most. So let's try. I'll show you how it looks. And from behind, I will show you the T-stop. You're dragging the right foot back, right behind the left foot. So hopefully you can see that. I'll do it this way, coming this way. You can see from the side. Woo. Oops, let's try that again. Dragging that right foot like that brings you to a stop. So you'll want to work on this a couple times. Roll to the left, drag it, and some people might do that. You'll eventually want to just let it slide like this, let it glide. Let's try it again. Because I always stop with my right foot. Let's try it with my left foot. You'll want to be comfortable doing it with on both sides. And I'm talking to myself here. This is my left foot. Not as comfortable, I did it, but I should work on that since I'm telling you guys to work on it. So what you're doing is, let me do it from behind. So this is my left foot. You're going to turn your foot like this, your right foot like this, and drag it a little bit. Not heavy, just like it's gliding against the floor. You want to have your right foot bent too. Bent. This one that you're using to stop, you'll want it bent a little bit. Okay. I like this stop. There's another kind of stop. I don't even know what it's called, honestly. And you can, this is what I used to do when I didn't know how to do really anything. I would stop like this. I don't know what it's called, but you can use that to stop. So it's just you're using both feet to kind of turn around and stop yourself. Let's try that again. I haven't done that in a while since I do the T-stop now. Taking both feet. And you're basically kind of making a half circle, I guess. Well, that was almost a full circle. Let's try T-stop again. All right, cool. Okay, well, there goes that. Headed home and I'll work on another video doing stops and stuff because I don't think that was really good, but there you go. Okay, gotta not be so hard on myself. I'm trying. Yeah, I didn't even plan to do a video today at all, but I'm like, I need to get the freak out of the house, get out of my funk, get skating. That always kind of lifts me up a lot, and just decided to do a video, a little short thing on stops and how to stop. I'll get better. Thanks for watching. If you've watched to the end, appreciate you guys. Have a good night. Bye.